Are you tired of feeling like you're always the one doing the chasing in your relationship? Do you want to turn the tables and make him chase you instead? Well, you're in luck, because we've got some tips and tricks to help you do just that. Here are 7 ways to make him chase you. Number 1. Be mysterious. Being mysterious can be a great way to make him chase you. When you're not too forthcoming with your feelings or intentions, it makes him wonder what you're thinking and what you want. This can be a great way to keep him guessing and wanting more. So, don't be too quick to share everything about yourself, and keep some things to yourself. Number 2. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to making someone chase you. When you're confident in yourself and your worth, it shows in your attitude and behavior. This makes you more attractive to the opposite sex, as it demonstrates that you know what you want and aren't afraid to go after it. So, stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction. Number 3. Be playful. Being playful is another great way to make him chase you. When you're not taking everything too seriously, it shows that you're fun-loving and easygoing. This can be a great way to keep the relationship light and enjoyable, which will make him more likely to want to spend time with you. So, don't be afraid to tease, flirt, and joke around with him. Number 4. Be independent. Being independent is another key factor in making someone chase you. When you're not overly dependent on someone else for your happiness and well-being, it shows that you're a strong, self-sufficient individual. This makes you more desirable, as it demonstrates that you're not just looking for someone to take care of you. So, make sure to have your own interests, hobbies, and friends that you can rely on. Number 5. Be honest. Being honest is another great way to make him chase you. When you're not afraid to be upfront and honest about your feelings and intentions, it shows that you're trustworthy and dependable. This can be a great way to build a strong foundation for the relationship, as he'll know that he can count on you to be honest and open with him. So, don't be afraid to be upfront and honest with him about how you feel. Number 6. Be patient. Being patient is another great way to make him chase you. When you're not pushing for a commitment too quickly, it shows that you're not desperate and that you're willing to wait for the right person. This can be a great way to make him feel like he's the one who's in control and that you're not just settling for anyone. So, don't be too quick to push for a commitment, and take your time getting to know him. Number 7. Be yourself. Last but not least, being yourself is the most important way to make him chase you. When you're not trying to be someone you're not, it shows that you're comfortable in your own skin and that you're confident in who you are. This can be a great way to attract the right person, as he'll be drawn to your authenticity and genuineness. So, don't be afraid to be yourself and let your personality shine through. In conclusion, making someone chase you is not about playing games or manipulating them, it's about being true to yourself, confident, and honest. When you follow these tips and remember to be yourself, you'll be well on your way to making him chase you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.